So thank you, Mr. President. In the course of the hearings, doon nga natin i-establish bakit nga walang pang-operation ang police. So yun ang
Wala
ating,
talaga.
yun ang ating,
Wala
tatanungin
talaga.
ngayon natin yan. Pero we have run out of time for our hearing this, kanino kay Presidente?
Until now, sir.
Okay.
Until
can
now.
Can we excuse the President? Okay. Sige, Mr. President, by unanimous position, you are now excused from the hearing. Thank you for
Ayoko, sir.
attending. Thank you, sir. Thank you na, sir. Whether you like it or not, kasi itong mga kaibigan niyo po rito, gusto na po kayong iparelax po, Mr. President.
Ito na kasi yung forum na maybe binigyan ako ng panahon ng Panginoong Diyos na makarating dito. And I can talk publicly. Alam naman lahat ng mayors yan. Kulang talaga ang suporta. Ang pulis ko, hanggang sweldo lang yan. May pag-utos, walang gasolina, walang pang-follow up.
Mr. President, Mr. Chairman, I think it's majority of the members of this committee, Senator Robinson Padilla, Senator Bongo,
Yes, I
yours
understand.
truly,
I understand.
and
I understand.
even Senator Villanueva. I would like to excuse the President
Yes, okay.
from
We
this hearing.
suspend so that the President can...
Ayaw ko kasi there are so many questions that would be left unanswered.
We suspend our hearing.
Sir, pag wala ng question,
Tapusin natin itong putang inang problema ng Pilipinas.